Hey guys, this is Jeff from ReRover again. Giving you guys an update on this 110 that we're doing for a customer. As you can see, we've got the body sitting over there that we've lifted off, and then his chassis here that we're working on stripping down for him. I'm gonna take this beautiful 2.8 Cummins out of it, clean the chassis, have it galvanized, powder coated, and then reassemble again. So yeah, and as you can see, here's the body. He's had a bit of panel damage, but then we're gonna basically give him an update on the interior, strip out all the carpeting, strip out everything, give him a new dashboard, yeah, new seating, and give it sort of a makeover. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and also check out our website and get in contact with us at www.rerover.com. Thanks very much. Cheers.